I'm so stressed. I'm so frustrated. I'm so annoyed, said no person ever when they're up on this mountain. So I've climbed up the mountain, not because I'm stressed, but because this is a great way to get rid of all those chemicals out of your body that cause stress. So if you feel uncomfortable, the inside of your body is not at ease, dis-ease, so your heart rate's up, your blood pressure's up, your blood sugar levels are up, your body thinks that there's somebody trying to kill you, you're under threat. So what happens is your body gets ready to fight and flight. But we now live in a world where we don't fight, we don't flight, we just sit on our backside, or we take drugs, we smoke, we drink, we gamble to try and get rid of that horrible, stressful feeling. Well, it's a bit like taking a headache pill when you've got a headache. It might take the pain away, but it doesn't get rid of the reason why you've got the headache. The reason you get stressed is your body says, I'm under threat, let's de-stress by fighting and flighting. So the ultimate way to feel fantastic, to clear out all the junk out of your body, to get rid of the stress out of your body, to lower your blood sugar levels, to lower your heart rate, to lower your blood pressure, is to go fight and flight. Now, running up a hill is awesome. Fighting, punching, kicking a bag is fantastic. Anything that increases your heart rate in that fight and flight system, which is 10 seconds of 100% effort to get 100% result, 100% effort, 100% intensity, so that you can disperse the threat. Now, stress will kill you, of course, because if you've got high blood sugar levels, which is the reason the sugar's in your blood is to make sure you've got the energy to go fight and flight. But if you don't disperse it, those big molecules, those big sugar molecules, bust up your arteries, so you have broken hoses, as I call it. Then cholesterol collects on those nicks and cuts and broken bits of your hoses and blocks off your arteries and blocks off blood to your brain, blood to your heart. So you have a stroke, you have a heart attack, you go blind, you have erectile dysfunction, your arms and legs have to get cut off because you haven't got circulation to your toes. Your body will do everything to protect this part of your body. So if it's not getting enough oxygen, enough nutrients, obviously blood supply to your legs and fingers and toes and gets cut off. All of that's just horrible, isn't it? So why leave stress in your body? Why not just get rid of it? Why not just be a stress munching, de-stressing machine and go punch a bag, kick a bag, get puffed, lift heavy, go and do something to get the high blood sugar levels, or you want the sugar back in your muscles where they belong, so that you can go and breathe normally, low blood sugar levels, low blood pressure, low heart rate, feel relaxed rather than stressed. So it's not about gamble, smoke, play computer games, do something artificial to get rid of the stress. Go punch, go kick, get puff, lift heavy. So then you can feel fantastic and you can actually live your life to the max. Super duper doo, how are you? Living my life to the max. Check it out.